Hey guys, Dino with Dino RC. I got a little unboxing video to do today. Got in a new 10BL120 censored HobbyWing ESC. This is going to go on my drift truck for my Tamai build-off truck. Let's take a look and see what we got inside here. Had these before, and I have some in my buggies when I race buggies. But let's take a look and see what's inside. If I can get it open. If you haven't ever used any of the HobbyWing products, I really like them. You know, I can remember back in the early days when people didn't care for HobbyWing, and now it seems like a mainstay. But anyhow, they make awesome anything from racing to bashers to crawlers. I love their products. But anyhow, this is going to go into a drift truck. And get it opened up here, and we'll see exactly what you get with these new ones. If I can get the box to open up. Pretty good video when you can't even get the box open, I'm telling you what. Now we're gonna just slides out just tight. Wow. Anyhow, this is what you get inside there. You get your ESC. And it's packaged up pretty good. Let's pop her out of here and take a look to see. It's already pre-soldered onto the back. So all you have to do is solder your red and black. And put your XT on it, or Dean's, or whatever you're going to put in for your battery. And then you have your orange, yellow, and blue wires that go to your brushless motor. Comes with the little on-off switch, a little program button, and it comes with your radio wire. Anyhow, it comes with those. See if it comes with anything else down in here. There's a program port right here. If memory serves me correctly, it's been a little bit since you get some heat shrink and you get a few zip ties. And you get some HobbyWing decals. And you get an instruction manual that shows you exactly what you need to do to program this thing and get it set up. I have a few different programmers for this. I'll be doing a program video with this, but just a few things that you let me see if I can get it on here to where you can see. But it shows you some of the programs and settings that you can set up on these. They're really good. Like I said, if you haven't ever tried one, give them a try. When I get this thing installed, I will do another short video on exactly how to do all the settings and go through it with you. And I'll show you running it in my truck. Well, just a short video, just a little unboxing, just to share with you a little bit about what old Dino's building, what I got on the bench. You never know, one of these days, I'm going to see one of y'all guys on the rocks.